To ensure proper photo and video recording, it is important to calibrate the gimbal. To calibrate, make sure your camera payload is installed. After that, simply select the three-dot menu at the top right, select Control, and scroll down to Gimbal Calibration. Press the Calibrate button and the drone will automatically adjust and calibrate the camera payload. This will take anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds, and once it's complete, you will see a message on the screen letting you know that the calibration was successful. Depending on your use case for the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS drone, you may want to adjust the speed of the gimbal movements. You have the option to change the speed of the pan, which is left and right movements, and tilt, which are up and down movements. To access this option, select the three dots at the top right, select the control menu, and scroll down to the Gimbal Speed option. You will see your tilt and pan options along with the desired movement speeds. Simply select which one works best for you, and once you have made your selection, the change is instant and ready to go. These changes can also be made while you are in flight if you need to adjust on the go. The SIRAS has an on-screen function that allows you to quickly recenter the gimbal back to the center point by simply pressing the rotation icon next to the radar button on the main screen. You'll see two options. The first option would be the gimbal center back to its level point, and the second option is to have the gimbal point 90 degrees straight down. This is a quick and easy way to get your gimbal back to its starting point without rotating the adjustment wheel on the remote.